Hey folks, it's Frithgar here, how you doing? Welcome back to Factorio. We've had a little break. Let's get back to building our million minions. Full running speed. My full running speed is not all that magnificent, to be honest, but it's better than nothing. As soon as... well, actually, I don't even need to wait until all of those are out of the way. What I can do is I can simply go to here, and then we should be able to paste in a new one here. So I've got one of those to go there. And let me go up like that. And then drop that into there. So there's everything that I need to go onto there. If I do that, do my own robots put anything out? My own robots aren't going out or in. They're not doing anything at all. They don't seem interested in this particular party, so I'm assuming that this particular party has already been dealt with. So let's go for a little mosey on up this way. Once most of that has been pulled out of the way, it's going to start allowing things to speed up a bit. So we're sort of ticking on our 30 frames a second. We're up to 167,000 robots. Now, of course, the problem is going to be having all of our robots in the air at the same time. Once we don't have quite so much backlog for building, it will make a bit of a difference to everything running smoothly, how and where it should. I've got a slight shortage on materials being dragged back to the base at the moment, but it's not a major issue. So I want to go all the way back over here. You don't have anything built on you yet. That one's now got something built. I'm going to need to start removing this lot and putting in the new sort of range. There we've got oil. We're going to need that to be left uncovered. That oil over there is already being dealt with. These are filling up. And then the oil here is being... that stone is being dealt with. That's being dealt with. So it's just this one. This is the only one that I've got to put something in for the robots to be coming through. Right, well, let's take a little mosey over this way, and we will go with a paste, and I'm just going to drop that one straight down there. I'm not going to do anything fancy. That's just going to drop just like that. Let's turn you on there. My robots do not appear to be interested in doing that. Suggests to me that if I deconstruct it like that, and then I go with a paste, and I go to drop it down again, there we go. Now my robots will come out and they will do it. So the construction robots, there are a few of them available. There are some of them around and ready and willing to do some different jobs. It's just that they don't seem to be here right now. Right, there's that lot going. That means that copper line is now up and running and all good to go. I'm still getting rid of all of this coal on me. I've still got some robots coming towards me to pick it all up. If I go over this way, I'll be a bit closer to the rest of the robots. It's very laggy, isn't it? Now, we will see if standing over here actually helps matters a little bit, because from this side, all of these roboports, I mean, yeah, I'm slowly accumulating some power on them, but we actually we need these to be joined together. Actually, there's a point. Medium electric pole. How many of them have I got? Have I got a shortage of them? Medium... no, I don't have a shortage. I've got 7,000 of those in storage, which means that my logistics robots should have no issues at all going picking up. There's most of the coal gone. Right. The next thing that I was really wanting to work on was to get some stone going over here so that I can make some more concrete. Because I've got a supply of ore over there. So the concrete shouldn't be too much of a problem. And right now, I've got concrete being made down over here. I've got some furnaces there. And they are making concrete, but it does take them a while to actually go through and process it all. I need stone bricks to be built and then brought back over, and then I need these to be built as well, plus I need water barrels coming in. Currently, water barrels, I've got 29,000, so we're all right for water barrels. Now, I was thinking we'd do some more water down here. We'll do another water extraction, or we do a water extraction up here, like one or the other. I'm pretty sure I talked about doing water extraction somewhere else, and then I've ended up paving over it, so I won't get too carried away with it. Might do water, I suppose I could do water over there. Don't know, and I'll probably want to do another water extraction anyway, but I'm not going to concern myself too much with that. It's setting up the concrete that I really want to do. So let's come over this way. I've got room here, right? I know what we'll do first. We'll go in here. I ought to let them catch up a little bit, didn't I? Except, to be honest, I'm not that concerned about whether they can catch up or not. They do a pretty good job of catching up and getting everything in place where it's supposed to be. So I can pretty quickly go through and rip up a load more stuff and then get all of the new grid put down without causing any major hardships. Now, I'd like to get two strips of that removed there so that I can put some more blanks around that one. And then I want to put some blanks in here. So I think we will start off by coming in here. And I will simply just go the straight deconstruct on this one. I'll do it like that. So I'll go along there and pull them up like that. And then I will go along this way. And I'll rip all of those off. Like that. And then I will go here and I'll drop a couple of these in going this way so that I maintain power around that lot, because I'm about to lose that lot there. So that can go. That's already gone over there. This bit here, those three can go. So long as I can maintain some power around some of this, we're all right. And that's coming out from... No, it's not coming from that side at the moment. It's not coming from there. It's coming from down here. As long as I keep that side open, we're all right. That there needs to go. That will come out there. That will go over that way. You can be removed. Like that. As can those bits down to there. And then I've got lines up this side. They can all go. So, like, that one there can be removed, as can you. That one's out of power, so is that one, and so is that one. They'll go like that. And then we go, head down this way. Anything that I've now removed power to is the ones that I want to eliminate. Like that. And then I go back onto here. And this is the ones that I want blank circuits on. Start putting some of these down. Drop that one down there. I'm actually able to put a blank circuit all the way down the side of this. Right the way down to there. That's as far as I need to go on that. Ooh, lab research speed has now finally finished. So, energy weapons we don't want to do. Refined flammables, no, 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 no. This is all combat stuff. So is the follower robot count. That's also the combat stuff. I got plenty for what I've got. Now, that's a one-off uranium ammo right there. Probably not something that we would ever actually use, but it's the kind of thing that could be handy. So I think I will not do that just yet. Braking force is another one that ends up being an infinite. No, it's not. Oh, that stops. Right, braking force makes no difference because we're getting rid of trains. So that's really not going to affect us in the slightest. So I will go with inserter capacity bonus 7. That one is quite a handy one. We'll keep that one there. And now we can move back up. So I've got no room really for any for any plain ones there. That's what I said I wanted to do next, was remove 2 strips of that. Which is definitely one thing that I do want to do. In here, I want to... I'm going to have to get rid of that one in order to be able to fit another one of these in, aren't I? No, I'm not. That's going to go in there perfectly. That will not fit because of the... And that will not fit either, so I can't have any more there. I've got one going in there. And I can actually put one there if I was to remove all of these tanks. But those are full of oil, so I kind of want them. I don't want to get rid of them. So we'll keep hold of those, the oil tanks. That lot can stay as it is. And then I've got a line of these coming all the way down here. I'll get rid of them. So go underneath like that, and just to the side of it for a minute. I'll go up there like that and strip that lot out. Plus go up there a little bit higher. And then down here, this is what I want to do. I want to get rid of that and those three there. There aren't any more hooked onto it, although I've now lost all power on the coal on here. So I'm going to want to put some more stuff back onto that, like that, there. Put 2 of those in. The robots will come down, hopefully, and go and get rid of those. And here, all of this lot's being stripped out. And doing it very quickly, too. They're doing a highly efficient job on that. Take those off. I got power over on that side, so that's fine. And then this, I want solar panels here. Put you right there. And I'll do a line of solar panels down through here. So I got loads and loads of coal on standby right here next to where I'm going to be using the stuff. Can't do anything else here. Next one's going to be over there. So we can just leave that exactly as it is. That's going to stay as it is over there. This over this side. Yeah, that's... I'm waiting to remove that. So we'll do 1 strip here as well. I'll remove 1 strip there. Not too far out. Just up like that. There, perfect. Right. Because that's... I'll leave that one in place. That one can stay there. I've got power joining on this side, so that's alright. You will stay there as well. So I can't put anything there, there, or there. But then coming out a bit from that, I will be able to. So first up, we're going to want to put the power ones. Which are going to go this side. So I'll put a line of these all the way up through. Like this. That's as far up as I can go for a minute. Like that. They're still not... Oh, yeah. There. We've got some landfill that's been placed down. That's it. Got 4 little sections right there. It's because I've got so many orders for my robots going off and doing other things. They're getting a little bit busy, aren't they? They're just a little bit busyfied at the moment. I mean, they're doing a great job. I'm very pleased with all of their work. You couldn't ask for better. You really couldn't. You could not ask for better. So if that lot's coming down there, this one is fine. That one... I'll leave that one as a blank square, just in case. You never know, I might want a blank square on there. So that one can stay blank. I haven't got room to put another one in, no. Because of that bit over there. And... oh, I have got room to put another one in here. This... yeah, that's got to be a blank square as well. Right. Several blank squares all the way around there. They'll be made use of. So in here, I want... I've got a blank square. I'm going to want to copy some of this down here. Look. I'm going to take that. I'm going to copy it. Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy just one little strip of it. And then I'm going to change a few things over. So we will go copy in here. And I will copy that little strip. Right there, like that. And I will bring you over here. I'm going to put that reasonably close to the stone. As close as possible to stone, actually. So there's the stone extraction just over the other side. Actually, it would be better here. This would be the best spot. I'll do a full one here. This can all be bricks in here. And we'll start down the bottom. I don't normally start down the bottom. I'll do it about there. Let's go into that bit right there. Right. So what I actually need to do is I need to get rid of these. No others, only those. That's the only bit that needs to be gone, is those blue ones. There. Then go and put them down again. Immediately afterwards. And I suppose I could have done a copy and paste on the first one after I'd gone and requested 1,000 stone in each one. Never mind. So then I want to go to there and I want to request 1,000 stone in that one. Like, no, let's actually put 1,000 stone requested in it. There, 1,000. That'll be about right. So then I can shift-click that one to copy it, and then paste all of that in there. And look, you can see the stone already being ordered to be brought over this side. Like that. There. There and there. So we've got 1,000 stone has been requested to be brought over to this side on each of them. Now I will go copy. I will copy that bad boy right there. Like that, and I will paste that down like that. Let me go over here. I'm going to put one more down. That one will go there. Right. Those will now all go and put down. They're all going to request a load of stone. A stone is going to be brought in there, and that's going to make a boatload of bricks. The boatload of bricks is quite an important little thing. Oh, I'm zooming out a bit. I was wondering what was missing. It's a load of those things. I want to bring that down here. And it's that little section there that I want to copy and paste to start with. Actually, it's this. No, it's not that one. It's this one. Because this is the one that I'm using most of. Using more of that than I am of anything else. So copy right here. There. Go down to the bricks like that. Let's leave that bit off the end. That's all of the... Yeah, that's everything copied perfectly. Excellent. Right. So then I will go from there, and I will go up this way. And if we have a look, I've got bricks, and then I've got a bit of ore over there that will be brought down. I've got robots bringing that. So they should bring the ore from up there over to here. And I'm going to put it in this one here, right in the middle in here. So it's fairly close to the bricks. It's not going to be down there. But it's close enough to the bricks. Because I got another plan for that one down there. So I will put one there. Now, I can actually just drop them really tight close together like this. And this is going to be the main manufacturing site. And then when we run out of room for this later on, you know what we can do. We can... Let's put that one to there. That's the exact same spot, isn't it? Is it? What have I got in there? I got 1, 2. Goes up and up by one more. Yeah, that's actually spot on perfect there. Once we've gone on a little bit further with things, and we've got a little bit more room, I want to go there. I want to go up by one more like that. The stone will come from much further afield, which means that the robots will have further to carry it, by which time we'll have the full grid going across everything, so that's not going to be a bad thing. It's going to be a really, really good thing, and it's going to work well. At present, we have got 13,000 construction robots doing precisely nothing. They aren't working. Now, is that because this is a... Oh, it is. Look. Oh, no, it's not. It's still in the same network. I wondered if maybe the network has sort of been separated out, but it hasn't. It's still the same network. Now, what about... Oh, no, I can't with that bit down there. I'm waiting on construction robots to bring some material in that way. I'm waiting on construction robots to bring material in this way. I'm waiting on construction robots. Construction robots are the thing... Well, they are the thing. They are what we wait for these days. We don't wait for anything else, just construction robots. Now, if I come down here, I've got landfill being made down here and not really doing anything with it at the moment. I love my landfill setup, so I'm going to do this same setup. I'm gonna multiply this one, and it's gonna look absolutely identical to this. Look at all this landfill. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that just beautiful to look at? I've got a bit of an odd thing going on over there. I don't know what I'm doing with that. These bits down here, I need more of them as well. What are you requesting? Ah, you're requesting steel and concrete to go in there to make them. So I'm not going to do anything different. Oh, wait. The big change that I was supposed to make on here was these. I've got speed modules here. So I need to... Oh. Control. I didn't press control when I did it. I need to press control to do that. And drop that into there. So, yeah, I want those speed modules in there. I don't want the level 1 speed modules in them. I want the fast ones. All the way through. And we have got enough materials coming in. Well, yeah, I should have. I've got bricks being made down here. I've already got bricks being made down here. And yes, that is a little bit busy at the moment, but it's not going to stay that way. That will eventually change. And this over here changes as well. We know that there's like a bit of queuing, a bit of waiting at the moment. It's taking a while for it to sort of all fully establish where everything is going to run, but it's getting there. Slowly, 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 it's getting there. Now, back over this way a second. Because I didn't actually copy what I wanted to copy. I want to take a copy of that one. And I want to go like that, so that I have got all of that bit. Everything copied. That is perfect. There. Right, so I have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've got 8 of those combinator things. Which I don't have on me. So I'm going to have to do something with that. Now, this requires stone. Just stone to make this. So I'm going to put one there. And I'm going to put one directly underneath it. Dead in line. Like that. So I've got 2 of these in this area here. So that's going to be a load more stone brought over this way in order to be able to run this properly. Wait. Isn't it? Yes. Stone being brought to each of these chests down here. So I've got these combinators that I need to make. I've gone and... I don't have those wires laid out. So I need to make some wire. 5, 10. 5, 10. I'll do 10 wires of each. And then I will make some arithmetic combinators. I need 8 for each. So I want 5, 10, 15, 16 of them. So that they all start going and they're put out. So I've got... Are all of the green wires and the yellow wires and so on being put in the right places? There's an easy way to find out. If I go green on here, green wire, I've got 6. What about red wires? 7 red wires. Oh, that... Are they connected or not? I'm not actually sure if they're connected or not. I'll bring you over this way. I've got some lights up there. I should have more light. Well, the lights will be brought to me eventually, but it's gonna take a minute or two for the lights to get over here. I'm also waiting on more speed modules to be brought up to me. Those, again, it's the sort of thing that will take a while. 162 productivity modules that I'm waiting for, but the rest of it I'm not actually waiting on. So it's productivity that I'm waiting on, but none of the others. And here... I got the wrong module, like the wrong outfeed on there, but I think that'll probably be alright. Ah, here we go. There's some more of them. Right, I'll take these. I'll come down here like that, and I will go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 on there. And then I will go up here, and I'll do the same. Can't. Because they're not actually on there. I do that, though. There, so I've got all of those speed modules in there. I've got picked up. I got 9 left on me at the moment, and I do have more coming in, and then that's going to be construction bots that we've got to wait for. But it does look like the wires are actually connected up. I'm not 100% sure what happens with these wires, like quite how it figures things out, but. It seems to go. It seems to be doing what it's supposed to do, so I'm assuming everything is all tickety-boo and hunky-dory and wonderful. The only real problem I got at the moment is this landfill request that I've gone and put in. My robots aren't actually honouring my request. They seem to have forgotten all about it. It might be because of the sheer quantity of concrete that I've got demanded for absolutely everywhere else in the system. And because I've got so much concrete demanded everywhere, it's kind of thrown quite a substantial amount of confusion into the whole system. So we're just going to wait for concrete to be made. And, yeah, I'm making a bit of landfill here. But I guess this is much less important than other landfill. Now, did I have all of the arithmetic combinators used up? The ones I've made have all been used up. Right. And then we've got all of these wires coming through. I've got those chests there. They're all coming in. That's more robots, construction robots, who's bringing them all from the other side. So they're not I don't actually need them to do anything over here. That's all just being brought over. Those are already full. They're working. And it looks like the wires are already in there. They've already gone and been placed. I've requested those wires, but it looks like because I've done a copy and paste, it looks like they've just been automatically placed down without actually using up materials. Which, whilst that does seem a little bit peculiar, I guess it kind of, yeah, it's not a bad thing, I suppose. It's not a bad thing. And then we've got a load of concrete in here to be picked up as well. So I've got stone and concrete and everything being picked up over this side. I'm going to go back through here. I've only got 10 speed modules on me at the moment. But I'm going to start working on some upgrades. Need to upgrade those some more. Yeah, you're doing alright. You're doing just fine. With the speed modules in there, it makes a bit of a difference. We've got 11 gigawatts of power that we're using at the moment. Unfortunately for us right now, most of that power is coming from the steam turbines, and I don't want it to be. I want most of my power to be coming from all of this over here. Right, everything is fine there. That's pretty much finished being built, and so are all of those. I don't need to worry about them. Right, that's looking pretty good. We're going to be doing a big thing over here in a minute. It's going to be another big project right there to get rid of that. I got oil here, which I will be doing something with. I'm not going to worry about it for a second, though. I'm going to do so. Right, that one's now in, so I've got the coal going around there, and that's burning. Stations are... Right, that's good. The stations are still working. The few that we've got are still working. It's just that I've got fewer of them working now. And then over this side, we've got a bit of a choke on robots and stuff down here. But it's not a major setback right now. And then it's concrete. There is nothing else, nothing I can do about that. That is just concrete everywhere. So I think that we want to go... how am I going to do this? Because I've been thinking about this. Rather than doing the single squares at a time, there's a couple more single squares that I want to do here. But I think we could probably make a slightly bigger... I'll just do a copy and paste for it, though. I'm not going to do any more than that. I'm going to go in here and I'm going to remove everything over to that point there. I'm going to leave that one line along there. Now, somewhere I just want to make sure that I don't have additional chests of stuff around here. I don't think I do. Not up here. Doesn't look like it. Right. Big job now. Major, major job. We're going to start there. We're going to go all the way over to here. We're going to go all the way up here like... Well, folks, Rome wasn't built in a day, and 1 million minions are not going to be built in a single episode. We've run out of time, so if you've enjoyed the episode, then please head down below and give us a like, and if you really enjoyed it, then please tell your friends all about me, get them to come and watch as well. That would be awesome. And until next time, thank you very much for watching. This is Frithgar. Goodbye, and see you later.